Hello student. This question was asked from manufacturing engineering forming topic. So the question is like this. In forging operation, initial blank diameter is 200 mm and height is h. So this is our first situation. Fine. So that is converted into 400 diameter and 600 mm height. Means I am having a die that compress this blank and converted into this shape. Means the diameter is converted into 400 mm and your height is converted into 660 mm. Fine. So what he has given, he has given the initial diameter and he has given the final diameter and final height. So we know in forging operation, for any forming operation, we know that volume remains same. So volume initial is equal to volume final. Fine. So volume initial is equal to pi by 4 d1 square h1 and pi by 4 d2 square h2. That is the volume for a cylinder. We know that we have given in first cylinder the diameter is 200 mm and height is h1. Let us assume. Then second condition, that is converted into 400 mm diameter and height is now 60. Fine. So by this equation we just calculate what is the value for h1. So h1 comes 240 mm. Fine. We know the true strain formula. True strain formula is equal to log natural log, that is e raised to power. Fine. So natural log h final upon h initial. Fine. So this is the formula for true strain. So now log, our final height is converted into 60 mm. So my final height is converted into 60 mm and initial height means this is your previous. So what is the height of previous diameter, previous blank? So we know the previous length is 240 mm. So 240 here. Fine. That is equal to minus 1.38. Fine. So we know that the negative sign in this numerical value, the negative sign shows that the stress is compressive in nature. So the compressive strain is equal to 1.38. So 1.38 is your answer, not negative. Why? Because it is written in the question we have asked that what is the compressive strain. So compressive strain, it is already negative sign is considered. So our answer is minus 1.38. Your answer is 1.38. Thank you.